Hi guys, welcome to another C++ tutorial for beginners. I am Josef Botnar. In this video tutorial I'm going to talk about range-based for loop. The range-based for loop iterates all over the values in a range of values. What is a range? For example, an array is a range of elements. Over here I declare this numbers array, which was assigned by these values 1, 3, 10, 6, and so on. Also, on the next line, I declared an integer variable called the sum. I'm going to define a range-based for loop declaration on the next line. For parentheses, I'm going to declare an integer a variable, colon, followed by array numbers. Enter, variable sum plus equal, followed by a variable and semicolon. In order to display the result of this up in the console, I'm going to use the cout object std colon twice this operand followed by this text sum equal space, and here I'm going to write a sum variable, and here end line semicolon. Here I should have wrote cout. Let's release this application in console. Here you go. This is the result of this up. So let's see how have we got this result. So the variable a will be assigned a value from the numbers array on each iteration. It will be assigned by 1, 3, 10, 6, each values of these array numbers. The variable a is local to this loop for and does not exist outside of it. You can write this code a little more compactly as follows. I'm going to remove these code lines using comment symbols. On these lines I'm going to write the same range-based for loop, but using another way. So for parentheses auto keyword colon followed by the values of array numbers, and here I'm going to write the same statement. So I'm going to copy and paste this statement again here inside of this range-based for loop. Here you go. Here I should write the a variable auto followed by this variable a. Let's release again this up in console. As you can see, we got the same result as before. Let's resize this, but this time I used this way to declare a range-based for loop. Using this auto keyword causes the compiler to deduce the correct type for this a variable. Also, we have another way to declare a range-based for loop. Let's remove this and let's write here the another way for a range-based for loop. So I used for parentheses auto a colon array numbers, variable sum plus equal, and the variable a, semicolon. Let's release again this application. The output is the same, as you can see here in console. We got the same result, but this time I use this way to declare a range-based for loop. So that's all for today. Many thanks for watching this video tutorial. I'm waiting for you to watch my another video tutorials. See you next time.